guys, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. If you're new on my channel, my name is Yolanda. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope that you find my content to be helpful, and please, if you do, don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post a video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make eggshell powder, and also I'm going to look at the benefits of using eggshells, and also I'm going to show you guys how I utilize my powder. Here are my eggshells, and right now I'm going to go ahead and put them in boiling water, and then I'm just going to let them boil for at least 5 minutes so that I can separate some egg whites or egg membrane. Guys, egg membranes, like they are super beneficial, especially they say that they are beneficial if consumed over time for the joints, but I really don't like to look at them like that. Okay guys, so in the meantime, let's just look at what eggshells consist of and also what they are made of. Eggshells consist mostly of calcium carbonate. The rest of the shell is made of protein and other minerals. Eggshells are roughly 40% calcium. Half an eggshell may provide enough calcium to meet the daily requirement. I'm going to go ahead and clean the shells, then I'll put them in a tray and put them in a preheated oven and let them sit there for about 10 minutes. Well guys, as you can see, my eggs are ready, and now it's time for me to grind them. I'll put them in a blender and let it grind shells to a powder. As you can see, my powder is ready for consumption. Now let's move to how I use the powder. It is simple. Just add the powder in warm or cold water. Sometimes, just because I'm a little bit lazy, I love to use a spoon. Just stir a little bit and leave the water. Now let's move to how I use the egg powder. So this is how I always prefer to separate the big solid particles of the eggshells. I just stir and let the solid particles sink all the way down to the bottom, and then I'll just use the water that is at the top. So basically, I like to use my eggshells as a drink. I also rub the eggshell powder on my teeth so that I can keep them white, and one of the things that I've actually observed over time is that my gums and teeth have gotten stronger. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to move on and use the tiny solid particles to clean the kitchen sink pipe or the drainage, and also I use this in my bathroom. So basically what I do is so simple. I like to take some small particles of the powder and just put them in a sink, and then I'm going to open hot and just let it shine. So what this does is it unblocks the sink or the blocked pipe or whatever, and also it neutralizes the smell. Guys, I really love this, and if you're using it on your sink, please guys, just half a teaspoon goes a long way. You don't have to pour a lot. I also love to use it as a base when I'm doing my hair DIYs and skin DIYs. So I also love to use my eggshell water to cook and bake. I use the powder to wash my pots, and finally I love to use it in my garden and also for watering my indoor plants and the garden. Is also proven to reduce osteoporosis. Guys, we've come to the end of the video, and I really hope that you found this video helpful, and please, if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the video. And thank you guys. I'll see you on my next one.